Hey, folks, this is Phil with Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm here right now with my grandchildren, Ava and Arlo, and we're going to show you how to taste a little hot sauce. So come on and join us. Hey, everybody, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. It is Sunday afternoon, the 30th of July, and yesterday we spent the morning at the farmer's market, and the kids loving the selling the hot sauce, and they decided they want to do a little tasting. Now, both of these guys are real pepperheads, so they're going to enjoy this. So what we got out here in front of us is we got 4 of our very popular Alabama hot sauces, all stuff we sold yesterday. The kids like the look of them. They love really hot stuff, so we're going to do a little tasting, okay? Now, first I've got Alabama hot sauce, smoking Japones. And this is sort of a Mexican-style hot sauce that's made with dried and reconstituted Japones peppers. So, kids, get you a chip. Miss Ava? There we go. And let's see if we can get this baby open here. I seal them pretty good at Alabama hot sauce, so sometimes getting the shrink wrap off is a little bit difficult, but we're going to get it. There we go. Of course, we always give it a little shake. And time to put it on. Okay, Miss Ava. And Arlo. All right, guys and girls, give it a try. What do you think, Ava? Pretty good? What do you think, Arlo?
Delicious.
How's it taste? What do you taste in it?
Peppers.
Peppers? You can actually taste the taste of peppers? Is it hot? It is hot? What do you think, Ava?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
I'd give it a 4. Hot.
Ava's the real pepperhead, so they're a little different in their rating.
Okay.
Now, everybody take a little sip of water and get that flavor out of your mouth. The next one we're going to open is a real favorite lately at the farmer's market, which is hot lemon garlic. And Arlo simply loved the idea of this one, so here we go with hot lemon garlic. Let's get this baby open.
My favorite.
That's your favorite? How do you know? You've tried it, haven't you?
Yes.
Oh, that's why Arlo has it at home. You've never tried it? All right. There we give it a good shake. Everybody get you a chip.
Cat? Get a chip.
There you go, Ava. Pick you out a good one. Now, we'll let the camera see us dishing it out. All right, Arlo. All right, guys, put them in.
Delicious.
What do you think, Ava?
There was no spice. No spice.
No heat?
No heat.
You got no heat?
No heat.
How about lemon?
Just very.
Very lemony. How about garlic?
Kind of. I got the
You got the garlic? Now, is that something you think you'd like to put on maybe a sandwich or
I would put it. I'll put it on a taco.
it would be good on taco? On a salad? And you said it has no heat.
No heat.
Well,
I mean, it is what you're mild in the sauce, isn't it?
for pepperheads it might be, but I don't think it is for most people. Now this one is really different. This is Plain and Orchard. And Plain and Orchard has mixed fruit strawberries, banana, peaches, pineapple, and habanero peppers. So this one was going to have a little heat to it. Now folks, if they say this was not hot, I'm going to know something's wrong. Because this pepper has heat. You do pretty good with heat, don't you, Arlo? How do you do with heat, Ava? I think you do pretty good at it. All right, everybody. Get you a chip. They got a good one. Get you a chip, buddy.
Yes.
All right. Now let's see how this does.
So let you guys know, we have not tried this before. Brand new. So it's, oh, I smell.
All right, gobble it down.
Kind of tastes like applesauce. Strawberry applesauce. Strawberry applesauce.
You taste heat?
Not this, nothing.
No way, guys. You don't have to take any heat.
It's like a tingle on my Spidey Senses. Still tingling. Here's loves you.
I think they're playing tough. I'm going to be honest with you. All right, the next one is Ghost of Sloss Furnace. Now, if they say this is not hot, we will know that they are simply trying to play a joke on us.
Yeah.
All right, kids. Get you a chip.
Let me get that. Will you come on ever get milk? It's so hot.
I thought it wasn't hot. Oh, you are? You're planning for this Ghost of Sloss Furnace? Ghost of Sloss Furnace is the second hottest hot sauce I sell. It happens to be the hottest one I have in stock right now. I have one called Scorpions and Ghost that I'll have back week after next. So we may have to, these kids are from North Carolina, so we may have to do a long distance taste test with Scorpions and Ghosts. Now, everybody's got a chip?
I'm gonna take away the tingle so I can feel the better.
Okay, you can do that. She eats Plain and Orchard and says it has no heat, and then she chokes on milk. All right, Miss Ava, get your chip ready.
More. It really doesn't have heat. I don't want too much of that. I don't want too.
All right, hold yours up.
I don't want too much. I don't want 3 ounces. 3.
All right, let's try it.
Piece of her.
Alcohol.
I actually detect no heat. I'm not gonna lie. Do you know what right now? What? Oh, it's got, never mind. It's going.
Look at the camera.
What is it? 6 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10 because my eyes are watering. Fuck it.
So, tell me what you tasted.
Hot.
Hot sauce.
Hot.
Did you taste any fruit? You taste anything other than the pepper? Can you taste the ghost pepper?
You can taste this.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Well, folks, we got one more thing here that Ava claims she wants to try. This is pepper extract I made from red ghost peppers. I made it by scraping out the puddles of capsaicin oil inside the pepper shell, inside the pepper skin. I collected, it took about 1,000 peppers to get this much capsaicin. I then squeezed what remained of the red ghost peppers and mixed them together, and it came out a beautiful red, clear red fluid. It was tested at the University of New Mexico. It tested a little over 1 million Scoville, and so I've rated it 1 million Scoville. Now, I don't know whether to let her put a drop of this on her tongue. What do you think, Ava? You still want to do it? You sure?
Are you sure that you want to do it on your tongue? Or do you want to do it on a chip?
Ava?
The hottest thing he sells. Right there.
I'm going to let you.
Get your milk ready. Save some.
Before I do it, let's get one of these cameras directly on Ava's face so we can, y'all excuse me while I make some adjustments, so we can get Ava. I want a close-up look of her.
Zoom it in.
All right, Ava, look at the close-up camera over there. Look at up there. All right, folks. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna do this.
My better judgment too.
This stuff is beautiful. I mean, this is premier. All right, stick your tongue out. One drop.
I know you feel it. Don't hide it.
I don't feel anything yet. I'm still waiting.
She didn't feel anything yet.
Not yet.
Have you swallowed?
I'd still have that certain taste in my mouth, though. It's what I imagine salt to taste. Wait, no.
Oh, here we come.
No, still nothing.
But we're gonna give her a minute though, folks, because I know that is not nothing. I mean, I know that is not nothing. This is. Lean back and look at the close-up camera, Ava. Are you tasting nothing?
My Spidey senses are tingling.
Your Spidey senses are tingling. Well, I have a feeling when we turn this camera off, we're going to have to make a comeback because... Oh, you get it?
I got them tears on the other side. See it?
What do you got now?
Ow.
What? Tell them.
Ow?
How hot is it?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Then?
Folks,
It would be worse if it... Oh.
How you feeling now?
Holy mother of chicken nuggets.
look at the camera, Ava. Look right there, darling. Tell them what you got. Is that really hot?
It's not the spiciest thing I've tasted. Oh, it's on a rip in my mouth.
What do you think?
Chicken.
Ava, you are a beast. That's all I can say. Look at that camera, girl. Look at...
No. You.
Well, all right, folks. This is Mr. Phil. This is Ava. She is actually burning up, but she will not admit it.
No.
She is the most stoic person I've ever met tasting hot sauce. She reminds me of Cheyenne that was in one of my other videos from Taco Mama that just didn't even wink at eating my hottest sauce. So,
Going away, right?
oh, hold it. He's going away.
I can see your eyes watering.
It should be a 5-minute burn. Roughly. How you doing, baby?
They would just hot.
All right. All right, folks. Thank you for joining us. Once again, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce, alabamahotsauce.com. I'm here with my two best buddies, my grandchildren from North Carolina. This is Arlo. This is Ava. She's dead on the inside, she said. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Give me the finger point, everybody. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Cut!
Everything's fine. I got it.
Hey folks, thank you for watching this video. I'd appreciate it if you push the logo and subscribe to my channel. On the side of the screen, you'll see 2 suggestions for videos I think you might enjoy. So take a look at them. And once again, thank you.